sturdy full-tang knife Garberg is a real bushcraft tool. Hardened and treated in our factory in Mora to be even stronger. The cut is razor sharp from the start, and Garberg is easy to sharpen in the outdoors thanks to the Scandi grind profile.
Garberg is one of my very favorite knives. Simply because it's extremely strong. Many times in the wilderness you need a reliable knife, and Garberg has all those features. The grip is very good and solid even when it's wet. The full tang steel is very strong, for example chopping woods, building shelters, and in the end making a fire.
Garberg comes with a flexible multi-mount holder to be placed wherever you want. Or accompanied by an exclusive black leather sheath, which will become more beautiful the more you use your knife.
When I need an extremely strong knife, Garberg is definitely my first choice.
This is the Schrade SCHF 36 full tang fixed blade survival knife, brandishing the heft and strength of a 5-inch drop point blade produced from 1/4-inch thick 1095 high carbon steel. The all-black SCHF 36 offers outdoor enthusiasts a knife eager to take on the rigors of the backcountry. The powder-coated fine-edge blade resists corrosion and is razor sharp right out of the box. The knife is just over 10.5 inches overall length, contributing to its versatility and ease of use. The 90-degree angle of the knife's spine can be used as a striker against a ferro rod. Ring texturing on the TPE handle defies the elements, providing a sure grip in any weather condition, while also offering a contoured design that fits with your hand's natural shape. Jimping on the blade's spine and underside adds traction, while the finger choil offers increased blade control. Pass cordage through the lanyard hole to keep the SCHF 36 close at hand. The black nylon sheath with its Velcro loop makes it easy to attach the sheath without the need to remove your belt. Lash the sheath to your leg with the available cordage, or to gear. A single snap makes for ready access to the SCHF 36, and the sheath pouch comes packing a ferro rod, striker, and sharpening stone. Designed to see you through the unexpected, crafted from premium materials, and built for a lifetime.
This is the LMF2. When you're looking for a fixed blade knife, LMF2 is where it's at. Drop point blade, serrated edge, really thick, ergonomic to your hand, spike pommel. The LMF2 was originally designed to get aircrew out of a downed aircraft by cutting their way out or breaking their way out. Non-conductive handle, if you've got to cut wires, it's not going to electrocute you. Designed with 3 holes so that you can create a lashing and actually create a spear with it. Tell you what, this was coming at you, you're in trouble. It wouldn't be right to have a heavy-duty knife without a heavy-duty sheath. This sheath right here has MOLLE attachments for your vest, belt loop to put on your belt. Knife comes in and out both ways. Even comes with a sharpener. So if you're in the field, your knife gets dull, get it sharp, get right back on task. Made in America, right here in Portland, Oregon. This is the LMF2.
Holtzman's Bloodline is the perfect knife for bushcraft, survival, and general outdoor use. This unique, high-quality knife includes a G10 handle with an ergonomic design for superior grip and longevity. The handle consists of a finger guard that keeps your fingers safely behind the cutting edge. The overall length of this fixed blade knife measures 8.5 inches, consisting of a razor-sharp, full-tang 4-inch blade. The blade is constructed from a thick slab of 1095 high-carbon steel and runs the full length of the knife. The high-carbon steel is meticulously heat-treated to ensure superior strength and blade retention without becoming brittle. The Kydex sheath has the extra security of a removable leather strap. The knife has an adjustable belt clip with adjustable spacers, allowing it to fit belts and straps of various sizes. The belt clip is spring-loaded, has a locking feature and can be flipped 90 degrees to enable different carry options with the included Allen wrench. The sheath includes two attachments. One attachment is designed to hold the scraper. The other attachment is for holding the ferrule rod. Both of these attachments can be removed with the included Allen wrench. The ferrule rod has an overall length of over 3.5 inches with a matching G10 handle. The scraper has the perfect blend of steel and is heat treated to perfection to produce sparks of high intensity with every use. The scraper includes a 90-degree edge on every side, enabling all edges to be used as well for ambidextrous use. It also comes with a matching G10 handle. Included in the kit is a strong 550 paracord, which can be added to the handles of the knife and accessories. Additionally, the paracord can be used to create a lanyard for the ferrule rod and scraper. This set comes nicely packaged in a genuine quality gift box and is perfect for the holidays, birthdays, or as a treat for yourself.
This is the Schrade SCHF59 full-tang fixed-blade knife. Built full-tang tough and forged from a single slab of 65 Mn high-carbon steel, the SCHF59 is designed to take on the toughest bushcraft and camping chores. Whether batoning or making feather sticks, the SCHF59 boasts top-notch edge retention, ensuring that you never lose your edge. Weighing just over 6 ounces, the SCHF59 features a 4-inch long drop-point blade that is razor-sharp and big enough to handle a variety of bushcraft tasks without weighing you down. A 2.5-inch topside false edge enhances penetration power when piercing or using the SCHF59 for drilling tasks, such as tapping trees for water. Textured G10 handle slabs give the SCHF59 a slim profile and allow for a comfortable full grip regardless of weather conditions. The spine of the blade features thumb rest jimping to furthermore enhance grip during power cuts while promoting all-day blister-free use. An ergonomic finger guard keeps fingers well behind the blade. The SCHF59 arrives seriously sharp in a black thermoplastic belt sheath featuring an oversized belt loop that attaches to any size belt and includes a quality ferrule rod, guaranteeing that you'll have a campfire wherever your adventures may take you. Ready for adventure, crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCHF59 full-tang fixed-blade knife.